students, good morning. We have already started with integers. So today I am going to solve the sum based on that. So before that, let me remind you, we have already done the rules of Bodmas and also the complex expression where we use the different types of bracket. So according to Bodmas, division, multiplication, addition and then subtraction comes. So here then different types of bracket, that is bar bracket, vinculum, small curly bracket and big bracket, square bracket you may say. So these are the brackets that we have already done in our section 2, that is part 2. So according to that, we are going to solve the sum of exercise 1C. Question number 1, evaluate. See student, 18 minus bracket open 20 minus 15 divided by 3. So 15 divided by 3 will be solved first. So 15 divided by 3 will get 5. So in place of 15 divided by 3, I will write 5 here. So it is written the numbers as it is, 18 minus 20 minus 5. So students, remember in that session I have explained you, if there is a sign before the bracket, so we have to solve that bracket changing the sign. If there is minus sign, the rest of the sign will going to change inside the bracket. Okay. So here 18 minus, so minus 20, and here minus minus will become plus 5. Okay. So 18 minus 20 plus 5. I have solved this bracket. Before that I have seen here minus sign. According to that I have changed the sign of the number inside the bracket. Now next is the number with additions I am going to add and the number with subtraction that I am going to minus it. So here 18 plus 5 will become 23 and the remaining number, that is minus 20. So 23 minus 20, that is 3. So 3 is the answer. Now next question. Minus 15 plus 24 divided by bracket 15 minus 3. So here, sorry, my mistake, 15 minus 13. 15 minus 13 bracket close. So here I will solve the bracket first, because according to the rule of Bodmas, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, Bodmas. So bracket will come first. So we are going to solve the bracket first. Okay students. So minus 15 plus 24 divided by, so 15 minus 13, of course 2. Okay. Very easy. 15 minus 13, 2. Now here all the different expressions are given over here. So we are going to solve this 2 term division. Okay. So minus 15 plus, okay, 24 divided by 2. 24 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So answer is 12. So in place of 24 divided by 2, I will write 12. Minus 15 plus 12. So the sign of greater number is minus. So I will write here minus. Then plus minus, minus 15 minus 12, 3. Okay. We'll use the sign of greater number. That will only going to apply. So 15 minus 12, that is 3, and plus minus minus, sign of greater number. Now next question. Minus 35 minus big bracket 15 plus curly bracket open 14 minus small bracket open 13 plus 2 minus 1 plus 3 in bar, that is first bracket, then all the bracket close. So we'll solve this first. So 2 minus 1, 1 plus 3, 4. So like this way we're going to solve this bar bracket, vinculum. So rest of the number will come same, 35 minus 15 plus curly bracket open 14 minus 13. Instead of all this number we will write 4. How come 4? See, 2 minus 1, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4. So now bracket close. So 35 minus bracket open 15 curly bracket 14. So 13 plus 4. 13 plus 4, 17. So minus 17 bracket close. Now the next. See, when we move on to the next step, one of the bar goes off. Okay. Now next one. 35 minus 15 plus. Okay. $14. Now students, pay attention. Here minus 17. So I have opened the bracket. Plus minus minus. So 15 plus 14 minus 17 bracket close. So when you close the bracket, here I can see another sign, minus sign. So the rest of the numbers going to change. The number with plus will become minus and minus will become plus, because minus plus minus, minus minus plus. So 35 minus 15 plus minus minus 14 minus minus plus 17. So I will add the number which has a plus sign. So 35 plus 17 will become, I'll arrange the number 35 plus 17 minus 15 minus 14. So 35 plus 17 will become 52. Now 52. Minus minus will become plus and sign of greater number. So 15 plus 14, 29. And here minus minus sign of greater number will come up here. So 52 minus 29, 23. Hope you are clear with it. Now the next sum. Now here again one more sum with different signs and bracket too. So 46 minus 26 minus small curly bracket open, 14 minus small bracket open, 15 minus 4 divide by 2 multiply by 2 and the rest of the bracket close. So we are going to solve one by one. We are going to solve this bracket. Yes, small bracket, then moving towards the curly, then the square bracket. So this round bracket we are going to solve first, but in that also even in that I can see the different expression is given, that is minus, division, multiplication. So we will solve according to Bodmer's, that is we are going to solve division first. See students, the rest of the number we are going to write as it is. 15 minus. Now 4 divided by 2. Of course 4 divided by 2 we know the answer to multiply by 2. Okay, I have solved the term this 2. 4 divided by 2 got 2 and the rest of the number same and the bracket close. 46 minus number will remain same. We are going to solve only this 2 term. Now here in minus and multiplication, of course multiplication will come first. So 15 minus 2 2s are 4. Bracket close. 46 minus 26 minus curly bracket open, 14 minus. Now 15 minus 4, of course 11. 15 minus 4, 11. So we'll write 11. When I am writing 11, this bracket will go off and bracket close. 46 minus 26 minus, so 14 minus 11, yes 14 minus 11, 3. Bracket goes off. Now 46 minus 26 minus 3. Yes, 26 minus 3. 23. Now 46 minus 23. 23. So this is the answer. Students, you don't have to get confused seeing this sum. Yes, all the numbers are 70. Okay, we'll solve as per our rule, that is BODMAS. In that bracket, yes, so here all the signs is given, that is minus sign. So we'll solve according to the bracket. 17, the rest of the number will remain same. 17 minus curly bracket open 17 minus small bracket open 17. Now we'll solve this bar bracket. 17 minus 17, 0. One bracket goes off. Now this we will solve. 17 minus curly bracket open 17 minus 0, 17. One bracket goes off. That is small bracket. Now the next term, 17 bracket open 17. Now we're going to solve which bracket? I am expecting answer from you. Which bracket? Yes, of course, curly bracket. 17 minus 17 will become 0. So again one bracket goes off. That is curly bracket. Any doubt, students, till now? Hope you don't have doubt. We are solving each bracket at a time. First we solve bar bracket, then we solve small bracket, that is you may say the round bracket, then middle bracket, or you can say curly bracket. Now the turn of square bracket. So 17 minus 0. Yes, something divided by 0, the number itself, that is 17. So 17 minus 17, answer 0. 0 is the answer. Next question, question number 30. Say I am doing all the difficult sum, not difficult actually, this whole chapter is easy, but I am doing a bit difficult, bit different from each other. So the rest of the sum which I'll give you for your practice, that may be similar to the sum which we had done now. So it will be easy for you to solve. So the next sum. Brackets are given, different types of, and minus sign is given. Yeah, it is very easy. Solve the bracket one by one according to the order, that is vinculum, small bracket, curly bracket, and big or square bracket. Okay, so here first term which we are going to use, 2 minus rest of the number will remain same, minus 5. Now 4 minus 3 will become 1. One bracket goes off. 2 minus 3 minus 6 minus 5 minus 1, 4. Small bracket goes off. 2 minus 3 minus 6 minus 4, 2. Curly bracket goes off. Now 2 minus 3 minus 2 will become, yes, 1. So now 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Yes, 1 is the answer. I repeat, I have solved first vinculum, then yes, bar bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, and then square bracket. So bar, then small, then curly, then square. You can go easily one by one. Yes, at a time, one bracket to be solved. Okay. Yes, students, these are the sums that you have to do it by yourself. Okay. See, different sign and also different bracket. Here, same. First you have to, you see, I can see the sign of division appears more. So you have to be very careful. Next sum. Big numbers are there, but not hard, not difficult. So be careful while doing the sum, and rest the same thing you have to use, that is the rule of BODMAS, and also in bracket, which bracket to be solved first. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This 5 sum that you have to solve it by yourself. Do thorough practice of that. And also let me remind you, you have to jot down each and every sum that I have done it and I am giving for your practice. Yes, I want a notebook to be maintained in which you jot down, write each and every sum which I am writing, and also the sum which I am giving you for practice of every day. Put today's date and then write the sum. So similarly keep on doing the sums, yes, which we are doing together, and also the practice sum. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, have a healthy life. Thank you.